come on up. All right, give her a round of applause. What's your name? Julie. Nice to meet you. This is for you, Julie. Take care of it. Have a seat, please. All right, Julie. And one more. Yes, you, sir. Come on up. Give her a round of applause. What's your name? William. Nice to meet you, William. All right, let's go over here, and Andrew will present you with your amplification device.
I don't know how to turn that on.
Oh, all right. You were looking at it.
It's Gary's fancy bucket.
Yeah. William knows
Where
that.
is it? Just for the future.
All right. Just for a moment. All right. For future reference,
we don't get
it's the
paid.
button right here. You're all volunteers. Excellent. All right. So have a seat here, William. All right. So William and Julie are going to provide all of the sound effects for this next scene. Coincidentally enough, this game is called
Sound effects.
Oh, you've seen it. You're just logical. Sound effects, yes. So for Jessica and Rick are on an epic quest for something. What are they on an epic quest for? Tacos. Yeah. Well, of course, you would have to be on an epic quest for tacos. All right, so let's go ahead and just try out our sound effects machines. Julie will provide Rick's sound effects. Could you please give her a test effect?
Wow, look at all those monkeys.
Exactly. Thank you, excellent, Julie. All right, and Jessica, please provide a test for William.
Oh no, it appears I have stepped on all these monkeys.
Excellent. All right, so you guys don't be shy about providing the sound effects. If you don't know what sound effect or what the sound effect looks like, do it anyway. Do it anyway. Just do whatever comes to your mind. Family friendly, of course. All right, and so Jessica and Rick are on an epic quest for tacos. And action.
I don't think we're going to make it. The buzzards are circling.
Hold on, let me maybe if I make a signal fire. I don't usually start with gasoline, but I don't have time for this Boy Scout stuff. Stay back.
It's beautiful. Eventually we'll make it to Taco Bell. It's just a little further down Grant. And then we will
I don't think that cop likes the signal fire in the middle of the road. And he thinks it's funny, apparently.
Well, he's driving a tiny clown car, so you know.
I think we should take these bikes that are conveniently laying here and just ride them the rest of the way to Taco Bell.
They're probably worth less than $1,000, so it's not grand larceny. Let's do it. You ready? Oh dear! I think we passed $1,000. Let's go! Look out! A cat!
Moo.
What kind of cat is that? I told you they were doing stuff at that university. You never know what's going to happen down there.
Oh, hush! Look out! Orphans!
Why would you do such a thing? Hey, mine has a radio.
Everybody's doing it.
It's an oldie station, apparently. You wouldn't think that would be programmed on a hog, but hey.
I'm gonna try mine!
Ain't no shame. Ride a bike.
Oh my gosh, I feel so much better about myself on a human level.
Look, we're almost there.
Wow. Hey look, a kickstand.
You know, when mine fell over, it didn't even make a They look, I mean, that's kind of how we found them.
It kind of is. Just two lines that way. Oh look.
Don't wake the hobo.
Okay.
Sorry, sir. Here's a doll.
Thanks.
Oh, look, the drive-through speaker. It's so close. I can't understand him.
One. No, what? Two chalupas. No, I'm not an Aries. Hey, you don't even know my mother.
All right.